Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named as Myself. Let us start. My name is Sofar and I am 9 years old. I read in grade 4th. I am one of the top students in the class. I love to go to school daily and it is really good environment there. Most of my school friends are really amazing. I love spending time with them and them like that too. I am the youngest guy in my family and I think that's why I am the most loving one too. My elder brother and sisters love me a lot. They do lots of taking care of me. My mother is a housewife and my father is a school teacher. They both love spending most of their time with me and my siblings. We are a very happy family. I follow a daily routine and wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I brush and go for a morning walk. After completing my morning walk, I get fresh and eat my breakfast and revise my homework that I did last night. And finally, get ready for school. My father drops me in the school and my mom picks me from there. My school is a very famous and good school in this area. I have lots of good friends there. The teachers love me a lot. Myself for class 5. Introduction. I am Amit and I am 11 years old. I read in the public primary school in our area. It is almost a 10 minutes walk away from my home. It's a very good and famous school in this area. My father used to drop me there and my mom picks me after school hour. According to yearly grade, I am one of the top students in the class. My family. I have a brother and a sister in my family along with my parents. My brother is reading class 9 and my sister is doing engineering from Textile University. They both are really brilliant and doing great in their study. I follow them a lot and they help me too much in my study. My father is an architect and he is working with the government for a long time. My mother is a housewife but she is highly educated. She was working as a college professor but she gave up that job because of taking care of us. That is really big sacrifice in someone's life. Only mothers can do such sacrifices. I love my mother a lot. We are a small and happy family. We all are living together and wish to stay together forever. My daily routine. I follow a regular routine that helps me to continue my study and daily works. I always love to get up early in the morning and do a small morning walk. Morning walk helps me a lot to reduce pressure and makes me really hardworking. I go for a morning walk with my father. Then after breakfast, I go to school and come back in the afternoon. I sleep for an hour and then get fresh and go outside for playing. Conclusion. This is all about me. I am a caring boy and love everyone a lot. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.